Hey students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question, and this question is taken from class 10 chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. This is related to case study. So let's see what is given in the question. It says that there is some fire incident in the house. The fireman is trying to enter the house from the window as the main door is locked. The window is 6 meters above the ground. He places a ladder against the wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall and its top reaches the window. So here in this question, what condition is given? It is ladder and this is the wall of the room. So window is 6 meters high from the ground and he has placed this ladder. So here in this figure, ladder is given this, and the foot of the ladder is 2.5 meter away from the foot of the wall, and the window is at point A here, and the height of window from the ground is 6 meter. So let's see what is asked in the question. So in question it is asked that here dash be the ladder and dash be the wall with the window. So here you can say AB is the ladder, so AB will come here, and dash with the wall with the window. So AC is the wall with the window. So here AB will come, here AC will come. So if you see the options, so B option is correct here. And now the next question is, we will apply Pythagoras theorem to find length of the ladder. It is, so we have to see that which option is right for Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says that square in a right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse, that is AB square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is BC square plus AC square. So let's check which is correct here. So AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. This D option is correct here. Next question is, the length of the ladder is, so we need to find out AB here, BC distance 2.5 meter given and AC given 6 meter. So put here the value of BC and AC. So it becomes AB square is equal to BC square. So it is 2.5 square plus AC square is 6 square. So let's find out. So AB square is 2.5 square is 6.25 because 25 square is 625. So plus 36, 6 square. So AB square is 42.25. If you find the square root of 42.25, it is 6.5. Okay. So AB is 6.5 meter. So we have here C option is correct here. If some students do not know how to find out the square root of 42.25, then I'll show you here. So 42.25. This is square root symbol. So what we do, we'll make pairing from the decimal. So pair and here also pair. Now read the table of square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So it is more. So it is going with 6 square. 6 into 6 is 36. So minus it, 6 is left. Bring down the decimal places. Both this pair of decimal places bring down, put here decimal at that time only. Now we'll make the double of 6 here, that is 12. Now if I put here 1, then I need to multiply with 1. If I put here 2, I need to multiply by 2. So if I put here 5, I need to multiply by 5. So 125, 5s are 625 only. So square root of 42.25 is 6.5 meter. So next question is, what would be the length of the ladder if it is placed 6 meter away from the wall and the window is 8 meter above the ground? So let's see what is the condition in this case. In this case, it is said that the ladder is 6 meter away from the wall. So ladder is placed 6 meter away from the wall. So this distance is given you 6 meter and the window is 8 meter above. So this distance is given you 8 meter. We need to find out the length of the ladder in this case. So again you apply here Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to BC square, that is 6 square 36, plus AC square, that is 8 square 64. So AB square is 100 and AB is 10. So in this case the length of the ladder will be 10 meter. Okay, so B option is correct here. So let's do the next part. So the next question is, how far should the ladder be placed if the fireman gets a 9 meter long ladder? So in this case the ladder is 9 meter long. So we need to find out the distance of BC. How far should the ladder be placed if the fireman gets 9 meter long ladder? So BC is to be found out, and this AC length is 6 meter only, which was given in the beginning. Now let's see what will be BC coming. So we have the Pythagoras theorem here. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB is 9, 9 square is 81, is equal to BC square plus 6 square is 36. So it becomes from here BC square is equal to 81 minus 36. So BC square is 45. So BC is square root 45. So let's find the square root of 45. So 45, we can write 45 as 45.00. Okay, so more pair we can put, but afterward. So here decimal, so we'll put here pair. Okay, so it is also going with 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. It is more, so it is going with 6 square. 6 into 6 is 36. So 9 is left. Now bring down the pair, next pair, and when you will bring down the pair after the decimal, you put here decimal. So now 6 double is 36. So if you put here 1, then you multiply with 1. If you put here 2, then multiply with 2. So with 3 it is more, and with 2 it is going. Okay, so with 2 it is 2, multiply with this with 2, 724. You can minus here. So it is 6.2 or so here it is little mistake. 6 double is 12. Here I need to take here 12. So it is 12. So if I put here 1, we are to multiply with 1. So if I put here 7, so it is 127. Then we are to multiply with 7. It is 889. Okay, so it is going with 7 only. So 6.7 is approximate length of this ladder. So A option is correct. So this way we will do this question. Thanks for watching.